What's up, guys? Guys, I have Sports Day blind box. I already opened it, but I haven't showed it to you guys. Oh, gonna open it again. It has tape here. What if I just do this? I'm gonna search for scissors. Wait, guys, I'll pause the video. So, guys, I found the scissors. It's here. The zipper is broken. This is the scissors, and I'm gonna open it right now. I hope it's Bob. It's opened. I got Bob. Hey guys, I already opened it. So his sports is basketball. It's shiny. You can't see it's shiny. So guys, if we can separate the ball from his hand. We can put it again. It's so easy to put it again. So guys, I wanted Leo, but I got Bob. I got this Bob thing. This is Bob. Then you can do this. You can switch his head. You can see it's fake. So guys, I'm gonna craft this box. Peace. Bye.